Today we'll talk about how can you download music on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just come to this list here. So then here can you select here any music here you want to download. I'm going to click in this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this. You select quality download here, so just click on it here, then you click here on downloads, but you have to have coins here. So but if you have it, you just click here on download here, so then automatically here it's going to download with you on your app. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.